Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to download and install resource packs for Minecraft version 1.21.4 on your Mac. It's easier than you think. First things first, open your web browser. Now, head over to any resource pack website you like. For this tutorial, we'll use modroof.com as an example. Once you're on the site, scroll down or click on Discover Mods, then select the Resource Packs tab at the top. Now, you'll want to select a resource pack to use. A pro tip, I recommend filtering these based on your Minecraft version. In our case, it's 1.21.4. So let's scroll down on the left-hand side until we find Game Version, and click on 1.21.4. Now that the packs are filtered, choose one you like. For this example, let's select the FA464 resource pack. Click on it. Once the resource pack page opens up, click on the Versions tab near the top. Find your Minecraft version, 1.21.4, and click on it. Then, click the green download button and save the resource pack to your Mac. I'm saving mine to the desktop. Alright, we've downloaded the pack. Now to install it. Open your Minecraft launcher and make sure you've loaded the correct version. That's 1.21.4. Once Minecraft is loaded, click on the Options tab, then click into Resource Pack. Now click Done. Minecraft should reload using the resource pack. Your Minecraft menu may even change. Click Done again, and then go ahead and play a Minecraft world. As you can see, we've just loaded into our Minecraft world, and it might look slightly different. That's because we're using the FA4 resource pack, which has vanilla-like textures, but with higher resolution and more detail. And that's it. We can now start playing Minecraft with our new resource pack. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Rome tips.